Welcome to Drippin Junkies YouTube channel. This is a short introduction on how to add nicotine shots to your e-liquid. When you've purchased from Drippin Junkies, you'll get a large bottle size. This is no nicotine and it has a gap at the top where it allows you to put a 10ml or two 10ml nicotine shots in to either make it 3mg or 6mg. Now the nicotine shots that are provided are actually 18mg, but once you put it into the rest of the liquid that's contained within the bottle, it actually dilutes it down to a 3mg. It's quite easy to add the nicotine shots. All you have to do, unscrew your top, remove the nib. We find it very easy to use the alphas that we have on the website for sale. It's just a bottle opener. Unclip the nib like so. Then take your nicotine shot. You can either remove this nib or just pour it in. So once you've got the whole nicotine shot in the bottle, or two nicotine shots for the 6mg users, close your top and give a good shake, just to ensure that that 18mg is actually diluted and mixed properly within the bottle. You'll notice when it's mixed properly because you'll have a lot of bubbles in there. So once that's done, you're finished. All you need to do, add it to your tank and vape away. We hope you enjoy your purchase with Drippin Junkies, and we're going to be doing more videos. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.